Hello everyone, I'm Anand from Maths for Charcha, right? So I gave my 20th CAT this time, and the analysis of the slot 2 as it stands is like, I think verbal was, it was not the language of the passages was not very difficult, but the answer options were very close. And it was this year the section was jumbled up as in RC passages were not together, right? RC passage was separated by 2 or 3 verbal questions, so which made it a little difficult because students were surprised, okay, what's happening, right? They read the passage and they thought it's such a short passage, right? And then coming to the LRDI section, this time the choice was more as there were 5 data sets, 3 of 4 each and 2 of 5 each, right? And considering that the choice was more and the level of difficulty was on the slightly lower side, I would say this year the cutoff of LRDI will be slightly higher. So I think this year at 8 questions there will be a 93-94 percentile, and at 10 to 11 question it will be 97-98 percentile, and more than 12 it will be a 99 percentile. Right, moving on to the quant section. Quant section was slightly easier this time than the last year, but still quite higher than 22. Right, I would say attempt of 10 questions would fetch a percentile of 99. Right, and also one more thing, that there were arithmetic questions, a lot of arithmetic questions, but they were lengthy in nature in slot 2. They were not simple to solve. Right, the language was not very difficult, but not very simple to solve. Algebra on the other hand, I found slightly easier, as the questions were very similar to what, as a mentor, I have done in classes. So I think at 10 to 11 questions there will be a percentile close to 99. Right. See you then next time.